how to redeem Twitch gift card online. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you redeem Twitch gift card online. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any web browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for Twitch redeem. Alright, so after you search it, you'll be able to find the options like redeem code. So simply you have to go that option. Alright, so now from this site, make sure that you are logged in with your Twitch account. So make sure you are logged in with your account from here, and after you log in with your account, you'll be able to see such interface. So from this section, enter a code. You'll have to just enter the redeem code of your Twitch. So simply from here, you'll have to just enter a valid code to redeem your Twitch code. So simply from here, you'll have to just enter any code from here, and after you enter a valid code, you'll be easily able to redeem Twitch gift card online. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.